Welcome to 7 Days of Power Yoga. I'm Charmaine and this is day 6. In the last class, we enjoyed an energetic mobility and flexibility workout. Today, we're flowing through a 15-minute Vinyasa flow class to build strength and stability in the body. Start by coming to mountain pose. Stand tall at the front of your mat with your hands drawing down the sides of the legs. Take an inhale breath. Open the mouth and exhale, driving out anything that doesn't serve you today. Let's do one more of those. Inhale, breathing deeply through the nose. Open the mouth and exhale, letting go of anything you don't need anymore. So good. Take an inhale breath, bend the knees, sweep the fingers, Utkatasana. Inhale here. Bring the hands behind the back, make a fist, and as you exhale, forward fold. Getting ready to do this 2 more times. Inhale, bend the knees, sweep the fingers, Utkatasana. Make a fist, run this down the back, forward fold, Uttanasana. Separate the hands, bend the knees, sweep the fingers, Utkatasana, lifting in and up at the belly button for stability. Make a fist, broadening through the collarbones, forward fold, Uttanasana. On your next inhale breath, bring the hands to the earth. Step back into plank pose. Drop the knees, the chest, and the chin. Snake the body forward. Inhale. Tuck the toes and press backwards into your downward facing dog. Option to pedal through the legs here, loosening off down the backs of the hamstrings and the backs of the calves too. When you're ready, come to a static downward facing dog. Find power in your inhale breath as you breathe in through the nose. Open the mouth, charge out your exhale. On your next inhale breath, draw the feet together. Rise onto the balls of the feet, extend the right leg behind you. Open up through the hips as you bend the knee, trying to kick the bottom. Find strength in this isometric hold as you inhale. Exhale, close the hip, bring the knee to the nose, and plant the foot down between the hands. Sweep the arms to the ceiling, biceps by the ears. Pivot as you open out into Warrior 2. Your drishti, your gaze, is over the front middle finger. Inhale. Staying here for your exhale breath. Inhale, straighten through the front leg, reach forward and windmill the arms into Trikonasana, triangle pose. Keep reaching up and down in this dual stretch, using Uddiyana Bandha to keep you stable here. Inhale to rise, reaching backwards with the left hand. Exhale, reverse the triangle. Come back to the strength of the Ujjayi breath as you inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. On your next inhale breath, windmill the hands, frame the right foot, step back to plank pose. Inhale through Chaturanga into upward facing dog. Step or roll backwards into your downward facing dog. Feel the connection of the earth beneath the hands and the feet. Staying grounded, stable, and aligned here. Inhale, draw the feet together, left leg rises. Open the hip as you bend the knee in your 3-leg dog. Exhale, close the hip, knee to nose. Gaze forward, plant the foot. Arms rise, biceps by the ears. Exhale, pivot the hips as you open out into Warrior 2. Your drishti, your gaze, is over the front middle finger. Left knee stacked over the ankle. On your next inhale breath, straighten through the front leg as you reach forward. Exhale, windmill the hands into Trikonasana, triangle pose on the other side. Inhale as you continue to roll the right shoulder back and the left hip forwards. Inhale to rise. Exhale, reach back, reversing your triangle. Left hand reaches to the sky. Make the stretch dynamic by adding power to the fingers, reaching up and down in equal measure. Inhale, windmill the hands, frame the front foot. Step backwards into plank pose and come through a flow here. Inhale into upward facing dog. Step or roll backwards, downward facing dog. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Inhale, draw the feet together. Gaze forward as you step, hop or float forward to the front of the mat. Halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, sweep the fingers into Utkatasana. Use Uddiyana Bandha for stability. And as you exhale, bring the hands to the heart center, keeping this core engagement as you twist to the left. Pick up the left foot and step backwards into Parivrtta Anjaneyasana. Option to drop the left knee to the earth here. Or if you'd like to take this further, open out the arms in this twisted balance pose. Exhale, bring the palms back together. Step the left foot in as we twist to the other side. Right bicep to the outside of the left quad. Right foot lifts, stepping backwards into your twisted low lunge. Same rules apply here. Option to drop the right knee to modify. Otherwise, you can open out the arms wide. Inhale, gazing down on the exhale as you turn forwards, stepping in the right foot. Bring the hands to the earth as you walk the feet wide. Malasana, yogi squat. Come to stillness in your Malasana as you lengthen through the spine. Biceps are pressing into the inner thighs, helping you to release any old, stagnant energy, so that you can create space for fresh, new, strong energy to come in and regenerate the body. On your next exhale breath, bring the seat bones down to the earth. Rock the hips from side to side here, easing off any last tightness or stiffness in the legs. Exhale, bring the legs long, Dandasana, staff pose. Inhale, arms rise. Exhale, forward fold from the pelvis. If the hands don't wrap around the outside of the feet, that's fine. Just place them by the sides of the calves. Inhale. And on your exhale breath, perhaps fold forwards a little more. On your next inhale breath, the arms rise to the sky. Hands come behind you as you lift the hips up. Eastern stretch, shining the sternum to the ceiling of the sky. Inhale. And exhale to lower. Setting up for fire log pose, also known as double pigeon pose. Inhale, bring the right shin parallel to the front of the mat. Left leg comes on top of the right, also parallel to the front of the mat. Heels are away from the pubic bone. Take an exhale breath, grounding the seat bones into the earth. Inhale, arms rise to the sky. Exhale, hands sweep to the earth as you forward fold. Let the crown of the head be heavy here. Allow the weight and strength of your own body to naturally deepen this intense stretch. If you have any pain in your knees, just come up a little bit here. Inhale, hands rise to the sky as you lift back up. Exhale, release. Swapping sides. Left shin parallel to the front of your mat, right shin on top. Inhale, arms sweep to the sky. Exhale, forward fold down and over the legs. Option here to take opposite elbows behind the back, intensifying the stretch a little bit more. Inhale to rise, coming to Gomukhasana, cow face pose. Slide the right knee on top of the left. It's okay if you don't look exactly like this. Work with where you are and be really kind to your knees. Inhale, arms sweep to the sky. Right arm underneath the left, taking a bind here. Come back to the breath, then check in with the Ujjayi, as we can sometimes lose this when we're seated. Inhale. Exhale, release. Hands by the sides, right arm reaches up and overhead in your side stretch. Inhale here. Exhale, right hand to the earth, left arm reaches up and over, stretching the intercostal muscles on the left hand side. Exhale, release. Hands behind you, lift the hips and twist around. If you didn't make it, don't worry, just bring the other knee on top. Inhale, hands rise to the sky. Exhale, left arm underneath the right. Option to bring the body forward, over the legs. Check that the hip bones are still rooting to the earth here. Wherever you are, option to close over the eyes and focus on the power of your breath. Inhale. And exhale. On your next inhale breath, lifting all the way back up. Sweep the arms to the ceiling, palms touch. Exhale, right hand forward, left hand behind you. As you turn, twist and look over the back left shoulder. Inhale, arms rise. Exhale, left hand in front, right hand behind. Taking your twist on the other side. Inhale, hands reach overhead. Exhale, hands by the side. Take a moment to gently unravel the legs, allowing the knees to come from side to side. Inhale, and as you exhale, start to slowly make your way down onto your back. Option to bring the soles of the feet together and the knees wide. Or perhaps you want to move into your traditional Savasana here. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. One class left to go. If you've made it through all 6 classes so far, that's absolutely amazing. You can also do all of these classes as standalone practices too. You will find lots more classes over on my channel. Hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss a new upload. And if you enjoyed this class, hit the like button and drop a sunshine emoji in the comments below. Can't wait to see you back on the mat for class 7, our last class in this series. Have a great day. Take care.